In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero training, how to manually add bills and receipts, 5 minutes. Let's get started by signing into your Xero account. Head to the Xero login page, click login, and enter your email and password to access your organization. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which shows a quick snapshot of your business. From here, we'll navigate to the area where bills are managed. Open the business menu at the top and choose Bills to Pay. This takes you to the bills list, where you can see what's awaiting approval, awaiting payment, or already paid. To create a new one, click New Bill. You're now on the bill entry screen. Start by selecting the contact, which is your supplier. If the supplier already exists, pick it from the list. If not, you can add it quickly as you go. Enter the bill date and, if applicable, the due date. Adding a reference or invoice number is a good habit. It makes matching documents and future searches much easier. Next, add your bill lines. You can select an item if you use Xero's inventory or simply type a clear description of what you purchased. Enter the quantity and unit price and choose the correct account code to categorize the expense, such as office supplies or utilities. Make sure the tax rate is accurate for your region and the type of purchase. If your organization uses tracking categories for departments, locations, or projects, choose those too so your reporting stays precise. Repeat for additional lines as needed, and double check that the subtotal, tax, and total look right. Now, attach the supporting receipt or supplier invoice. Click the file icon to open the attachments panel, then upload the file from your computer or drag and drop it into the window. PDF, JPG, and PNG formats are commonly accepted. Attaching the receipt keeps your documentation in one place, helps with audits, and makes future reviews much quicker. Take a moment to review everything: supplier name, dates, line descriptions, account codes, tax rates, and totals. If something doesn't look right, adjust it here. When you're satisfied, click Approve. Approving moves the bill to Awaiting Payment, where it's ready to be reconciled against your bank transactions later. You can still open an approved bill to make corrections if needed, so don't worry if you spot a minor typo afterward. That's it. You've manually added a bill, attached the receipt, and approved it in Xero, keeping your accounts payable clean, organized, and audit ready.